Welcome back to Quizzovations. Let's play Would You Rather Animal Edition. Would you rather be a part fox or part sheep? Would you rather spend day as a lion or day as a tiger? Would you rather own 100 snakes or 100 cats? Would you rather be a sassy peacock or a friendly dolphin? Would you rather read minds of elephants or minds of monkeys? Would you rather be a chameleon that blends into any background or a macaw that have vibrant colors? Would you rather have a pet jellyfish that glows in the dark or a pet seahorse that dances in sync? Would you rather have a giraffe's neck or a speed of cheetah? Would you rather have a pet dragonfly or a pet hummingbird? Would you rather be a sloth or a meerkat? Would you rather be a penguin or a kangaroo? Would you rather spend a day as a cat or a day as a dog? Would you rather be a hedgehog or a polar bear? Would you rather swim with dolphins or ride an elephant? Would you rather have a conversation with old owl or a conversation with a mischievous raccoon? Would you rather fly like an eagle or swim like a shark? Would you rather have a pet unicorn or a pet dinosaur? Would you rather be a graceful swan or a ostrich? Would you rather be a butterfly or a firefly? Would you rather have a parrot that mimics or have a monkey who can do tricks? Would you rather ride a camel or ride a reindeer? Would you rather have a pet rabbit or a pet hamster? Would you rather be a panda or be a bat? Would you rather be a honeybee or a spider? Would you rather have a pet alpaca or a pet peacock? Would you rather be a starfish or a crab? Would you rather have a pet bear that cuddles or a pet wolf that protects? Would you rather have memory of an elephant or strength of an ant? Would you rather leap like a frog or slide like a squirrel? Would you rather have a pet octopus or a pet seal? Would you rather breathe underwater like a fish or endurance of a camel in desert? Would you rather have magical ability of unicorn horn or phoenix feather? Would you rather have a pet koala or a pet panda? Would you rather have a pet horse or a pet ponies? Would you rather have chicks or ducklings? Would you rather like talking to cats or talking to dogs? Would you rather have hearing of a bat or eyesight of an eagle? Would you rather chased by a lion or chased by a rhino? Would you rather play with a tiger or play with a panda? Would you rather have a pet snake or a pet tarantula? Like, share and subscribe for more quizzes.